Take a ride in the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, perimeter alarm, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.